Morning everyone. Di asiin kay ka walking kay aron dili malupog. Kay sige lang gapuyo sa balay kay galain ang lawas. Rest usa. So walking usa ta. Stretch our legs and our arms. Kanal ang saglakaw kay lain man summer niya, siging kakisdom ng panahon nang gakalo laman jacket bastang mag-ulan na ay pandong kinukin usa ta kariyot kaysa galubog ra og balay kanunay. This is the community where we are living. So I'm just walking around, doing brisk walking to exercise my lungs. Kain mo sa muta kadaot. Ug ato rang ilubog ug palanggaon atong gibati. So manikay sikay gitaan nga mapiskay. Thank you, Lord. It is just a quick walk from our house just to expose myself to the heat of the sun. It's very peaceful in here. Time check, it's 9:30 in the morning. So I'm alone in the house because Tatay Dudong is working, and he called me to remind me to do a quick walk around the surroundings of the community that we are in. So this is the place we are living. I am still recuperating from having walking pneumonia. It is not easy. That was the scare of my life last July 8. But thank God I'm well now. So just trying to be well all the time. To God be the glory.